How do you understand our community? Because you don't understand the client if you don't understand the community that they're in and the community they come from. So how do I understand their experiences? Again, this is understanding. How do you understand how the society has impacted the way they see, feel, experience, and behave in the world? So how do you understand these things? What is the historical reality? What happened to their forefathers and foremothers? Good, bad, ugly? What, the whole picture. What strengths does this person have as a result of the things that he or she or in between has experienced? So that's the way of understanding the world. So, but also we have to understand what political systems, and from in AGYEI's standpoint, everything is political. Now, this is my particular framework that I've developed, but I call this a collective model because I'm not the one. I didn't come up with all this information. I studied our scholars. I've listened to you, Baba TYEHIMBA. I've listened to many people, and I pull from that, I extract from that, and include that in the work that I do, in the way that I see our reality.